All right. Okay. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah, first things first, get the fuck up off of me. You heard what I'm saying, so don't be talking to me. Dick riding motherfuckers in my VIP. Feeling murderous like Mickey and Mallory. Yeah, I got a little bit of fame, what about it? Being in the game, collected a lot of knowledge. Not affected, I stay flawless. Live my life lawless like William Wallace. Not worried, not the smallest. Everybody wanna dip their finger in, not me. I'm all in, cause I play to win. I got enough friends. Call me Jenny Aniston, staring at me like a mannequin. You see how I'm handling sucker MCs, scraping their knees, climbing to the top where I be, feel the fatigue. Woo, number one, no apologies, no apologies. I'm surrounded by the opposite of quality. Feeling wobbly, this is not a joke, nor a comedy. I feel like the realest motherfucker in this colony. Hot wasabi poppy, not a carbon copy. This is my identity, I die for it, kamikaze. What you know about hard work and dedication? This ain't overnight, what you hear is dedication. Blood, sweat, tears, swallowing my fear, not following my peers, do my own thing. Open up lanes for the whole gang, rolling through your hood like a hurricane, aka the murder parade. We murder everything, hurry up, get the nerve up, then try to serve us like curves, stop your whole crew, blood flowing up like surf up. You can find me curled up, in my corner hooded up, loner know I leveled up, life is good, poet up, everywhere I go, Mr. Magnifico, time to turn it up. Yes sir. Balatron on the beat.